After all the Khans clashing with each other on screens and off-screen too, there seems to be a new rivalry growing in Bollywood recently. It's between the brother-sister duo Tushar and Ekta Kapoor. The two will be seen competing with each other at the box office as their films are scheduled to release on the same date. Tushar's Love You Mr. Kalakar will hit the screens with Ekta Kapoor's production Ragini MMS on May 13. But this professional war seems to be creating some fire on the personal front too. Ekta recently said in Mumbai's tabloid that she won't promote Tushar's film at all. This sparked up many media channels for some masala. So when Tushar was asked what does he has to say about Ekta's statement, he replied,
It's a coincidence कि शोर इन द सिटी और रागिनी MMS के बीच 2 हफ्ते का ही फर्क है, तो ऐसा हमने डिसाइड किया है कि आई एम एन एक्टर इन दिस फिल्म, तो मैं इस फिल्म को ज़्यादा प्रमोट करूंगा क्योंकि टाइम फैक्टर की वजह से शी विल प्रमोट रागिनी एंड आई विल प्रमोट शोर, क्योंकि अगर एक ही आदमी 2 फिल्मों को प्रमोट करता है तो ऑडियंसेस के माइंड में कंफ्यूजन होता है. अगर एकता इस फिल्म को भी प्रमोट करती तो आई थिंक लोग कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि वो क्या प्रमोट कर रही है. सो आई एम फोकसिंग ऑन शोर इन द सिटी एंड शी इज फोकसिंग ऑन रागिनी. ऐसा मतलब कि हमने करेक्ट यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज के बलबूते पर किया है, नॉट बिकॉज शी डजंट वांट टू प्रमोट इट.
Ooh, that did sound a bit revengeful. Maybe that's Tushar's answer to his sister's frank but rude statement and her bitchy comments on Coffee with Karan about his current girlfriend and co-star of his upcoming film Shore in the City, Radhika Apte. But wait, if you think all this masala is enough for gossiping, then there is more. We got an opportunity to ask Ekta that what was her reaction about Tushar's perception. This is how she reacted.
कब उसने बोला. Clearly एक इंसान 4 जगह पे तो नहीं हो सकता. And मैं और तुषार ने डिसाइड किया था कि हम दोनों फिल्में प्रमोट करेंगे. But to promote 2 films, as we all know, like I mean, all the time when he's going for city tours, I was doing work in the office. But like I said, I can't go out and promote 2 films at one time. It will never happen. And so I have gone out to promote Ragini as a face. He's going out to promote Shore as a face. But we are promoting, like it's a company's film. I mean, why would I not want to promote my brother's film? But it was not possible.
Well, this family drama is definitely promoting their respective films. With cameraman Paresh Rawat, this is Nikita Dalvi for Rajshri.com.